Hello, welcome to this overview showing how the Weatherstaff Planting Planner can be used to create a planting plan for your garden. The Weatherstaff Planting Planner chooses the best plants for your garden, ones that will thrive in your garden's growing conditions and which will fit in a colour scheme and style that you choose and give all year-round interest. This is particularly useful for beginner gardeners. Experienced gardeners will find inspiration and new ideas for revamping old borders, and professionals find the Planting Planner great for quickly creating stylish plans for clients. Start by entering the size of your design area. I've put in 9 by 6 meters. Next, enter the climate for your garden. The Weatherstaff Planting Planner is geared towards temperate climates such as we have here in the UK. Throughout the programme there is always readily available help. You can click on the climate band descriptions link here to get an explanation of the climate bands. And for novice gardeners, there is additional advice on how you may need to adjust the climate band because of local factors. Click Finish to go to the first screen where you can draw out the shapes of your borders. The Planting Planner consists of a series of screens which you can move between using the tabs at the top here. Before you can go any further, you need to draw your border layout. There are a number of drawing tools available, as shown by these buttons along the top. I'll just use a few to draw a quick design and fast forward through this process. You can have more than one border in a plan, so I've added 2 borders here. The next screen is the Styles and Conditions screen. This is where you can tailor the planting plan, not only to your own garden's planting conditions, but also your choice of colour scheme and garden style. You can specify different choices for each border. In the dialog box there are 3 pages. On the first page, choose your style. Styles affect the type of plants that are chosen for a border and how they are arranged. There are explanations of each style in the help panels, including cottage garden, contemporary, woodland, etc. Additional options include family friendly, wildlife friendly and low maintenance planting. On the second page, specify the colour scheme. Mood sets the type of colours we want. Softer colours, richer colours, vibrant contrasting colours or hot colours. Colour palette indicates how many colours to use. We'll go for rich blues and reds. On the last page, specify your lighting and soil conditions. Again, for the beginner gardener, there's help available to guide you through choosing these values. For example, how to measure the pH value of your soil and how to improve and prepare your soil. I'll quickly choose some typical values. And repeat for other borders. For the second planting area, I chose hot, yellows and golds with some purple highlights. At this stage there's enough information to generate a plan, but there are 2 more optional screens. The boundaries screen, where you can specify boundaries such as a fence that you want to cover with climbers. And the pre-positioned plant screen, where you can position your favourite plants or existing ones you already have in your garden. You can select plants from the built-in encyclopedia or create your own. OK, now we're ready to generate a plan, so I'll hit the Generate button. Now the Weatherstaff Planting Planner is doing all the difficult juggling for you, working out the best combinations of plants to use and where to plant them for a stunning border with all year-round interest. As you hover around the plan, you will find details, photographs and maintenance instructions for each plant displayed on the left. Click on a plant to lock it and look at it in detail. This is where you can have fun with your border designs. Regenerate the plan again and again with subtle variations each time. You can go back at any time to try different colour and style combinations. You can exclude plants you don't want in your plan, or lock in place ones you particularly like. Advanced interactive logic allows you to insert your own choice of plants. The planting planner can suggest suitable alternatives, or you can select plants by name or by attribute, or enter your own choice of plant if it isn't already in the built-in encyclopedia. Let's search for a geranium and use it as a substitute plant. The plan has all year-round interest. You can view the different seasons here. The Weatherstaff Planting Planner. It's a garden designer and horticultural expert rolled into one.